affordable trucking insurance, general liability for truckers. Get matched to a commercial insurance company that fits your unique business needs. Save on general liability insurance for a trucking business. Get covered today. Positively, a positively better insurance experience. Commercial truck insurance. What you need to know. Start your free quote. All fields are required. Enter your zip code. Get quotes. Don't feel like filling in a form. Skip ahead offline and call us toll free 844 740 0460. The Hartford Liberty Mutual Insurance, Progressive, Mellow, Equity Insurance, cover will keep moving. Are you the owner of trucking fleet, or do you own and operate the specialty trucking? Whether you are an owner operator looking to insure one truck or an entire fleet of trucks, your trucking business must be protected from liability for accidents and cost of expensive repairs. So before you put the pedal to the metal, make sure you have commercial vehicle insurance for your truck. If you are feeling overwhelmed about rising cost or complexity of commercial trucking insurance, you are not alone. Read our comprehensive guide to help you decide what coverage you need. What coverage you need, how much it costs, and how to get a free quote from an insurance company. What is commercial truck insurance? Commercial truck insurance stands as a vital safeguard for business and individual engaged in the operation of trucks for commercial purpose. These vehicles spanning for long haul tractor trailers to local delivery trucks serve diverse roles in transporting goods and material across various distances. The primary purpose of commercial truck insurance is to provide financial protection against the unique risks and liabilities associated with operation of these powerful machines on the road. One of the fundamental component of commercial truck insurance is liability coverage. This type of coverage is designed to protect against claims for bodily injury and property damage arising from accidents where the truck driver of or company is found to be at fault. Liability coverage not only fulfills legal requirements but also ensure the financial responsibilities are critical aspects in the unpredictable realm of commercial trucking. Beyond liability coverage, commercial truck insurance often one compasses physical damage coverage. The facet addresses the cost associated with repairing or replacing the insured truck is in the event of damage incurred during accidents regardless of fault. Additionally, cargo insurance is the cru- crucial element, offering protection for the valuable goods being transported. This coverage shields business for potential financial losses resulting for damage or theft during transit.